Although the photonic square itself consists of a complex matrix of materials, it couldn't be simpler to unpack. Inside the slide-apart sleeve, you will find the instruction card, which gives information on function, usage, and care. There are also 4 adhesive stickers to apply the square to your device, and the square itself. The Photonic Square is designed to be attached to devices that emit electromagnetic radiation. To apply the square to a device, firstly ensure that the area where you plan to attach the square is clean of debris and dry. Cut 1 sticker from the sheet. Ensure the square is on a flat surface with the non-printed side facing up. Peel off the protective yellow film and apply the sticker to the square. Apply pressure to ensure adhesion. And then peel off the white backing tape. The square can now be attached to your device. And that's it. The square will immediately begin harmonizing the harmful effects of wireless radiation emitted by the device. To remove the square or place it on a new device, carefully lift the square off your device. Remove any adhesive that may remain on the square. And then repeat the process.